Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video we're going to download the Qt designer. So in downloading the Qt designer, you just have to use your browser and then you go to the Qt main website. So Qt designer, and that's the main website. So the second one is the main website. What you do is that you click on the site and you have two options. So for those who like to download Windows, those who use Windows will download the Windows, those who use Mac will download Mac. Now that is how the interface looks like, and there is designer and then there is creator. So let's look at the download first. So first let's download the Windows version, and that is it. The download is done, and I run the installation files. Okay, so the installation is very quick. That is it. So yes, and then next, install. So the installation process is going on. Next, then finish. So after that, that's the window. So you have the Qt interface opened, and usually to start a design you prefer to use the main window, and subsequent designs you like to use a widget or a dialog with buttons. Yeah, so that depends on the designer. So keep in note that the first one you have to use the main window. Alright, now what you do is that you create. So create, and then you have created a window. So you've created a main window. Now you can start with the design. In the next video we're going to look at how to make a very simple design using the Qt designer. Thank you. Please do subscribe for more videos. Bye.